Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut yara eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah buat ufrai dia. Kam no ke ceng car em. Tip syuk kan long kom no lada. Yap sama no mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong ko jongpi. Ke emission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka BJP Meghalaya State Unit kalapentip ba kadon ya ka jingtmu ban sai Kyrtong na kabenta ban Pynïakhun ya ka election MP Shiteng Samoi na Shillong parliamentary bat shen kan sapharu ya ka Kyrtong shakibor bahalor jong ka party ban ai ya ka jiminjor ha ka jiakran bat kilat pathai kubor u nong aktien jong ka party u ba Kharkrang ulai thu ba kidon menta khandaingut ki bapan tiket ban yakhun ya ka election.
Just recently we have had a meeting of senior leaders, and one thing that we have agreed upon is that we should contest these elections, and we will also send a recommendation to our central leadership that we intend to contest the elections, and this is the kind of resolution that we have passed, and we believe that our central leadership will agree to it. You see, Sanbar Shalai, he's a person who has proven himself in his constituency and outside his constituency also. We would be very happy to have him as a candidate, provided, of course, he agrees to it. It cannot be forced upon him. And apart from him, also there are, in fact, the last count that we had, the last meeting, there were about 9 applicants. So, and yes, if you ask me personally, Basanbor will be a very good candidate. He'll be a very good candidate, but of course we have to leave it to his choice whether he intends to contest or not. Okay. I don't see anything like that right now in this particular election. I don't see anything. Neither we have approached the other NDA partners, but neither have the other NDA partners approached us also for that. So I don't see any possibility of a common candidate. And I believe all political parties will be contesting and putting up their own candidates. Discuss anything about the Rajya Sabha elections, but I guess Rajya Sabha elections may be different because for the simple reason that we have only 2 MLAs with us, and probably an MDA consensus candidate may come up. No, that has not been decided because none of the MDA allies have been called together. So let's wait till they call us for a discussion. Yes.
Supporting a opposition
exactly.
proposed candidates.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS. Our right, our future.